Hello everyone, I'm Shoaib Memon, a senior solutions engineer at Avantico. Today I'll be demonstrating how to automate and streamline journal approvals in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations using Power Automate. One of the key benefits of this solution is that approvers don't require FNO license to approve or reject requests, reducing licensing cost and maintaining an efficient approval workflow. A major advantage of using Power Automate is its flexibility in handling approval flows. While the out of the box workflow in D365 is difficult to maintain, especially when complexity increases, Power Automate allows us to easily configure and adapt approval flows to fit various business needs. Companies are no longer limited to the standard out of box approval methods. Power Automate gives us the flexibility to accommodate customized approval scenarios, ones we may not even have anticipated yet. This flexibility is a huge part of the value Power Automate brings as it simplifies management and scales with business complexity. Let's dive into the process and see how it all works. We will begin by creating a GL journal entry in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. First, navigate to General Ledger, General Journals, and then hit New. Select a journal name, and now we add the necessary journal line information such as account numbers, debit credit amounts, and any relevant descriptions. If required, we can also add attachments on the journal that can be sent to the approvers via approval request for review. Once the journal details are entered and we've validated the journal to ensure everything is correct, we can now send it for approval. On the general ledger screen, click on workflow and then choose submit. This action will trigger a Power Automate workflow sending the journal for approval to the designated approvers. Let's take a quick look at how Power Automate manages this approval process. The workflow is automatically triggered when a journal is submitted for approval. It extracts all the journal information from Dynamics 365 and creates an approval request for the journal. It then sends a notification to the approver via email or Microsoft Teams, including key details like journal number, journal balance, account name, number, line amounts, and includes any attachments that were added to the journal in D365. The approver can then review these details and take action without needing to log into Dynamics 365 FNO. They have the option to approve or reject directly from email or Teams, and they can also provide additional comments. I will go ahead and approve this journal request. When I click approve, the decision is automatically captured and sent back to Dynamics 365. The system will also notify the requester and the approver to let them know the request was completed. Notice how the approver never had to log into Dynamics 365 at any point during this approval process. This removes the need for costly licenses for users who are only going to approve transactions. Now that the journal has been approved, let's return to Dynamics 365 to check the status. In General Journal section, you will notice that the status of the journal has changed to approved. This indicates the journal is ready for posting and we can move forward with completing the entry. For auditing and tracking the approval process, we can view its approval history within Dynamics 365 by clicking on Workflow and selecting Workflow History. Here you will find a detailed log of various steps in the process, including when the journal was submitted, who approved or rejected it, and any comments added during the review. This integration ensures that the approval decisions made in Power Automate are reflected in real time within Dynamics 365, streamlining the workflow without the need for manual follow-ups. Now let's talk about the flexibility in approval flows, which is where Power Automate really shines. The out-of-the-box approval workflows in D365 FNO can be difficult to maintain when there is even a moderate level of complexity. Any changes or customizations often require heavy configuration and can become a pain to manage. But with Power Automate, we can configure approval workflows with far greater ease and flexibility. There are several ways to set up approval routing. Depending on your organization's need, here are some common methods that we implement. You can configure D365 FNO to route approval requests to the requester's direct manager based on the organizational position hierarchy. This method ensures that the approval follows the managerial chain in a structured way. For more complex scenarios, you can set up a dynamic approval routing using an online Excel workbook. This workbook can contain a list of approvers grouped by legal entity or by journal name. Power Automate can read this file and dynamically assign the approval request to designated users based on the specified sequence, providing consistency and control. This approach is highly customizable and can easily be maintained by updating the workbook. You are not limited to just the two methods we looked at in this demonstration. Power Automate enables us to create customized approval flows that fits unique business processes. If a business needs a specific process that is not covered by the standard workflows, Power Automate can adapt to handle it. This flexibility is crucial as organizations grow and their processes become more and more complex. This ability to adapt workflows to the needs of your organization is a huge part of the value Power Automate brings, allowing companies to scale and adjust as their business evolves. Finally, I would like to showcase a custom solution developed by Avantico, an approval monitoring canvas app. This app provides a centralized view of all approvals across the organization, whether they relate to journals, purchase orders, expenses, or other processes. Here is the app dashboard. It is designed to give managers a bird's eye view of all pending, approved, or rejected requests. You can filter by approval status, allowing for better visibility and quicker decision making. For example, I can easily check which journals are pending approval and drill into each one for more details. This app not only increases efficiency by consolidating approval tasks in one place, but also improves overall visibility across departments, ensuring that nothing gets overlooked in the approval process. In this demo, we explored how to create a GL journal, submit it for approval, and manage the approval process using Power Automate. We also reviewed different approval routing options, allowing you to route approvals based on position hierarchy, a fixed group of users, or dynamically select approvers based on a custom criteria such as data from an Excel workbook. Beyond these methods, we are not limited to out-of-box workflows. Power Automate lets us configure custom approval flows based on unique requirements. Additionally, we covered how to view the workflow history, offering transparency and tracking of all approval actions, and also looked at the custom Canvas app designed by Avantico for approval monitoring. This solution not only simplifies the approval workflow but also delivers cost efficiency and operational transparency. Thank you for watching. For more information, you can visit us at www.avantico.com and we will be happy to answer any questions you may have.